Is there a Mrs. Budgie?
Hey, listen, do you really know Slaughter's, Olivia?
Why?
Not out with rubbish, am I?
Poison. Dior. Poison. Le parfum par Christian Dior.
Shell, making the most of motoring.
Now, a lot of you have complained that I do all the talking in these compact ads, and you've asked to hear more from my brother-in-law, Rob. Okay, Rob.
Well, the compact systems use the 8286 microprocessor. The desktop system has maximum RAM configuration of 8.2 megabytes with a maximum hard disk capacity of 70 megabytes. All the 8286-based products have built-in asynchronous communications adapters and a parallel printer interface.
Well, you did ask.
Compact can also offer integral tape backup and can display
shut up.
high-res text and graphics on the same screen.
We'll have a deep pan, ham and mushroom, with extra cheese, tomato, pepperoni, olives, peppers and onions.
At Pizzaland, we've got a passion for pizza, so everyone is custom built.
Ham and mushroom with extra cheese and tomato.
Old pan chicken and mushroom with green peppers, onions, sliced tomatoes.
Pizzaland, we've got a passion for pizza.
Safeway shopping is quality at low prices. Are the kind of things you and I need every week.
This week, there are low prices for home baking. B-Row self-raising flour, 40 pence, and Safeway dried fruit. Currants at 74 pence and mixed fruit at 94 pence.
That little bit more at Safeway is a better choice of good food.
Safeway! Everything